Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm back with day 2 of the Shopify Beginners Challenge. In this episode, I'm basically gonna go over the settings of the store and setting it up, all the boring stuff. I'm gonna quickly recap what I did yesterday. Yesterday I set up my store, launched it, signed up for Shopify, and downloaded 3 apps for the store. And now for day 2, we're gonna start off by actually removing this picture because it's not that high res, and I actually like the second picture better, which is this one. So we're gonna select this one, save it, refresh. As you guys can see, it looks much better. Leave your suggestions down in the comments below if you guys want me to edit something, and I'll try to make it happen. So now let's go to the settings and configure all the boring stuff. So alright, so now we're gonna go to pages. We're gonna add a page. Now I'm gonna add an about us page tomorrow, but for today I'm just gonna go back and actually go to navigation and go to main menu, and instead of catalog I'm gonna name it products. Save menu and add menu about us. Like I said, I'm gonna fill in the description tomorrow, but for now we're just gonna keep add it. Pages. Okay, we don't have it ready right now, so we're gonna go back to the pages. Now we can go to navigation, add menu, actually go back, main menu, add menu page, about us, pages, about us, add, save menu. Now we're gonna go to preferences. For the keywords, I'm gonna leave it empty, and basically do my SEO research and then add them. For now, we're gonna connect our Google Analytics account, so let's do that. I'm gonna go to Google. Alright, so now we're gonna go sign up for Google Analytics. Sign up. Alright, so the account name is the Northern Wolves. Same for that. And then we're gonna go here and we're gonna go to online store, preview, copy paste this. We're gonna choose shopping. Put this as Eastern time. And uncheck all of these. I accept. Alright, so we're gonna copy all this code and paste it on our Google Analytics account. There you go. So now we're gonna save it. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I couldn't really complete it yesterday because a lot of things required a credit card and bank information, which I didn't have access to yesterday. So today we can finally do it. Alright, so for the Facebook pixel ID, I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it after when I'm running my ads and making my Facebook account. And now we're gonna pick a plan. Choose this plan. We're gonna go with the basics. So, alright, so I'm gonna blur this out probably, but I'm gonna register my credit card. Okay, confirm changes. Password. Okay, so now we have alright guys, so my mic went on mute over here, so I'm just gonna narrate over it. So right now I'm buying the domain. So the domain I'm gonna be using is called the Northern Wolves. But before I do that, I'm gonna use Northern Wolves and see if it's available, which it wasn't. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the Northern Wolves. Okay, now I'm gonna buy it. Buy domain. Okay, so now we purchase our domain, and we're confirming our email right now. Alright, for some reason my mic was on mute, but I just purchased the domain and picked a plan, as you guys saw. Now I'm waiting for the email verification. Alright, so now we're gonna go to settings, and basically for the payments, okay, complete account setup. Alright guys, so over here it asks for all my personal information, my bank account and other stuff, so that's why I'm not gonna show it. I'm just gonna narrate over it. Pretty much you need your routing number and your account number for your bank account, which you can get from their website. Like when you log in, you go to checking, and then you can go to account details and you can find your routing numbers and account number. Then you fill in the other details, your date of birth, your name, stuff like that. Then after that, you're done. So that's what it is, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, so my Shopify payment was successful. For now, we just keep it by default. PayPal is okay, and we should be able to accept credit cards, I believe. And now we're gonna move on to the second step, or the third. Settings, checkout. Accounts are optional. Customers can our last name, hidden, optional, shipping address, phone number. So sometimes AliExpress ask you for the phone number, so we're gonna put it as required. Use the shipping address as billing address. Okay. Enable address auto completion. By default they do agree. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, generate sample refund policy, generate sample private policy, and generate sample terms of service. Alright, we're gonna save it. Now let's go to settings. edit, delete zone, because we're gonna put our free shipping, so we don't need these. We're gonna delete this one and delete this one. Okay. Now we're gonna add our own shipping zone. US. Alright guys, now that we have our shipping plan created, I'm going to be talking over what I do next. So after I have my shipping plan created, I'm going to go check the emails, and it was fine, and then I enable desktop notifications so I can get the orders right away and I can fulfill them. Now I'm going to go to apps and go to MailChimp and download it and get so we can like get people to subscribe to our newsletter. So right now I'm signing up for it. The username, password, the usual. Now I'm verifying my email. After that, you have to add your name and everything else. And then over here again, your personal information, your address, your city and everything. And then your social media account, which I didn't have, so I didn't connect. Now we're going to create a new email campaign. Now the email campaign was a bit tricky. I did not know how to change the pictures and edit it. It's kind of confusing. So that's why I left it out at the end, because I couldn't understand what was going on. So I'm going to watch a video on it, try to fix it and let you guys know. But for now, I'm going to end it here. Tomorrow I'll be back. I'm going to be importing products, doing all the fun stuff. Now that we're done with all of our settings, tomorrow I'm gonna import like 6 products and possibly start advertising tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Leave a like and a comment if you guys are actually doing it yourself too, or you guys find value in this video. And yeah, subscribe if you're new and turn the notifications on so you get notified when I upload my 3rd episode. So yeah guys, I'm out. Peace.